What is up guys, Alex TV back with another video. Today we're going to be doing an Apollo Ghost 1000 mile review. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like the video, and we'll get started right now. Right off the bat, I gotta say this has to be one of the best scooters you could find on the market right now. After riding the scooter for over 1,000 miles, I have to say the ride quality and the build quality have to be the best in any scooter I've ever seen before. After hundreds of miles of off-road travel, I've never seen any cracks, damages, or anything in the front or rear suspension, making this one of the best dual-motor off-road electric scooters on the market. After all the riding conditions I took the scooter through, I have seen zero performance drops in either battery, acceleration, or speed. Maintenance for the scooter can be a problem sometimes, so I always recommend going on Apollo.com and always ordering some brake pads or extra parts like scooter tubes and tires. After 400 miles, I decided to go with off-road tires because it would last longer for me, but the only thing that would happen was the speed decrease and a little bit of range. The deck of the scooter along with the grip tape and the footrest are completely intact, and I'm still looking forward to using it and driving it every single day. Throughout the 1,000 miles, I have added an overwhelming amount of accessories including handlebars, phone mounts, flashlights, and extra accessories. After around 800 miles, I experienced very bad stem wobble. This is why I had to upgrade my stem lock, including buying a stem spacer from Apollo, both of which solved the problems. After some time of owning the scooter, I noticed that you really have to oil and grease your dual spring suspension in order to keep it smooth and not squeaky, because this can have a big impact on your off-road scooter performance. Things like the brake cable do wear out and loosen every 150 to 200 miles, so I do recommend you tighten it every single time, and as well always look out to not breaking the brake caliper because those do cost a lot of money. I spent over $440 on maintenance for the scooter, and currently at the time of this recording I have 1,200 miles, so I did the math and it's about 38 cents per mile. So I'd make sure you guys always take care of your scooter and always make sure it's all to the best. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and like, and we'll see you all in another video.